Hey, Dad! It's almost Christmas time, and I don't see any gifts under the Christmas tree for anyone. Can we go shopping for some gifts?
Of course, sweetie. I've been so busy I completely forgot. Let's go do some last-minute Christmas shopping.
Yay! I can't wait to go Christmas shopping! I'm going to push the shopping cart because I'm a big girl now. Are you ready to go shopping? We need to fill this shopping cart all the way up.
It seems like you've got everything under control. I'll wait here so you can go fill the shopping cart up with toys.
Yay! I promise I'll do a good job. I'm so excited! It's my first time doing Christmas shopping on my own. I'll be right back. I'm back. I hope you didn't wait too long. There were so many toys on the shelves. I love Christmas shopping. It makes me so happy, and thank you for bringing me here.
Not a problem. Let's go to the register.
Hi, welcome to the Awesomer store. Let me quickly ring you up. I'll start by unloading all the items from the shopping cart, so you can just wait right there. Alright, I'll start by scanning this Bloom Series 1 surprise toy. This is going to cost you $4. Now let me scan this Toy Story 4 blind bag. This is going to cost you $1.50. Now I'll scan this Lego minifigures. This is going to cost you $2. Now I'll scan this Num Nom Sparkle Scoops. This is going to cost you $2.50. Now I'll scan this Cutie Tootie surprise. This is going to cost you $3.50. Now I'll scan this Pick Me Pops Shimmer Puffs. This is going to cost you $4. Now let me scan this My Little Pony toy. This is going to cost you $2.50. So your total comes out to $20. How would you like to pay?
I'll be paying with a credit card.
Sure, not a problem. Let me just swipe this and you'll be good to go. Awesome! Your transaction has been approved. Thanks for shopping with us and happy holidays.
All right, sweetie. It's time to go home.
Thank you for buying me all these toys. I can't wait to go home and open all my presents.
All right, sweetie. Are you ready to open up all of your presents?
Yes! I can't wait! I really wanted to open the presents in the car, but it took all my patience to wait until we got home. Let's hurry!
Hey, Awesomer fans. These presents are for you too. Let's open up all the gifts to see what we got. We'll start with this Toy Story 4 blind bag. Today we got Buzz Lightyear. Now let's check out this Cutie Tootie surprise. Here's our pink glitter Poopsie. Now let's see what this Poopsie is hiding. Awesome! This Poopsie dropped some wet purple slime. We'll play with this for a bit and then check out our other surprise. Alright, Let's see which Tootie we got. Check it out! We got Boom from the Sky Blue Dudes. Now let's check out this LEGO minifigure Series 19. Give me a minute to put all these pieces together. Oh, check out this character! Before I tell you who it is, let me make his accessory first. Check out this weapon! Everyone, say hello to the Monkey King! Now let's check out this Pikmi Pop's Cheeky Puffs. Here's our pretty case. Now let's see what's inside. Oh, here's our Shimmer Puff. Today we got Patty the Poodle, and it's an ultra rare. Here's a closer look at Patty the Poodle. Let's see what else we got. Here's a Patty the Poodle themed sticker sheet. And we also get a decoration sticker sheet. Now let's check out this Num Nom Sparkle Scoops. Awesome! Let's start by checking out our Num. It's Chuck Choco. Here's a closer look at Chuck Choco. Now let's check out our Nom. It's Peachy Sparkle-It. Here's a closer look at Peachy Sparkle-It. Peachy Sparkle-It is also a gloss, and here's how the gloss looks. Now let's check out this Bloom Series 1. Okay, so here are the instructions. Here's our pink watering can. We need to fill this up with water later. Okay, so let's see how this works. Looks pretty simple. Alright, so we have to peel this off. Before I continue, this also comes with a sticker sheet. Alright, back to the bloom. Our watering can is filled, so let's sprinkle water evenly on top. Now let's watch our doll magically bloom. Whoa, check this out! This is so cool! If the doll blooms slowly, we can just add more water. This toy is pretty awesome. Now let's remove our doll. Well, look who just bloomed. It's Mandy. It looks like her hair is also a squishy toy. Now let's find her outfit and accessories. Awesome! Here's a purple purse. Here are her black shoes. We get this purple coat. And here's Mandy's friend. Alright, now give me a minute to dress Mandy. Awesome! How does she look? Mandy's style is amazing. And her hair is super soft. Last but not least, let's check out this My Little Pony surprise. We need to pull this string. It's a party. Today we got Fluttershy. And we also get these giant wedding bells. Let's put Fluttershy in here. It looks like she's going to a wedding. Or is she the one getting married? Who knows? Well, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!